Welcome back to DC Reviews. Today we have a gaming keyboard by HyperX. We have the Alloy FPS RGB. I've had this for about a month and I think it's really good. So the main thing I like about it is the switch. It's the Kailh Silver Speed. It's pretty much super light, super fast to activate, and I really think it has an advantage when you're gaming. So let's take a look at it. It's the only thing that's I don't like about it is that it's full size. They don't make this without. They don't make this with the Kailh Silver Speed with either 10 keyless or the 60%. I myself prefer the 60%, which is why I'm using the Poker 3. It's got cherry browns, so it's slightly more force, and it has a slight tactile bump to it. This is just buttery smooth, super fast to activate. Alright, so let's talk about some of the features. It's got super bright RGB, which I'll light up in a second. It's got the Kailh Silver Speed switches, which I think are super good for gaming. It's got the solid steel frame, so you pick it up, flex it, no flex at all. Very minimalistic, very small frame. All you really see is the buttons. So like the frame is like nothing. It's got feet. It's got the USB connection and the USB charging port. So if you plug your iPhone cable here, it's pretty convenient to charge your phone on your desktop without going all the way to your computer. And let's power it on. Here it is. I have it in the lighting configuration. So this is the normal one. This is a color changing one, so it'll go through all the colors one by one. This is kind of like a FPS gaming mode where WASD and 1, 2, 3, 4 is a different color, and then they have this G key, which it registers the keys that you want, and then sometimes you don't want to press certain keys, and that'll stop you from popping out of the game. So I've been using it for about a month. Really like it. The only thing that gets in the way is this. So this, like, I like it close, but with this, it's like you're far away. Your hands are far away and not tight, so it's less focus, I guess you could say. But definitely recommend it. If you already have a full-size keyboard and you just want something super fast for gaming, pick this up, and you'll definitely find that your activation of the switches is a little bit quicker. I think on the back of the box it says. What does it say? Alright, so it's the Silver Speed switch activation, 1.1 millimeters, a standard mechanical switch, 2 millimeters. So you are activating that switch almost in half the time. So major. 40 grams of pressure to activate. A regular switch is 45, like a, guessing it's a cherry brown. Alright, that's my review. Definitely recommend it. Pick it up and give it a try. I picked it up on Amazon when it was on sale for $80. Right now it's $109.99. Please leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to review. Thank you.